for 1 second an NES game and its arcade counterpart are different than one another, let me tell you something. Rolling Thunder is one of those games that is even harder on the NES than it is on the arcade. Now, its arcade counterpart was designed to eat money. And I'm just going to be honest. I've never beaten the arcade version of Rolling Thunder. So that tells you something. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me show you video proof that the first stage of Rolling Thunder is not easy. It's even harder than the arcade. Let's get down to it. Right off the bat, you can see in this video that enemies are coming at you from all angles, even in the demo here. But let's get to playing it. The first stage, very, very difficult. And you see right off the bat, enemies are coming at you from both sides. It only takes 2 hits to put you down. Get the ammo. Make sure there ain't no enemies around the door. 2 hits and you're done. See? It took a life off of you. So we got to the point now where we're getting deeper into Mambu's lair. It's not easy to get to this point, but see, you died. Now, for the first time in a video, you'll see me get past this stage with 0 lives and 1 bar of health. Yeah! Where the hardness comes in. Where the evil Mambu's maniacal laughter comes in. Now, this game has been ported to other consoles. The the computer versions are not that good. The NES version and the Famicom version is by far, and also that dude that shoots at you. First time ever I've cleared a stage with still alive amongst you, but it only gets rougher in the second stage. You'll see. Oh my goodness. Rolling Thunder. Now, I used to be scared of this game. This game gave me creeps as a kid. Mambu's laughter gave me creeps. That tells you something about how great this game was. Digitized voice. Even the bad guys, when you shoot them, go, eh, like they're crying for their mama. But hey, it's great. They shouldn't be terrorists. They shouldn't be like Cobra Commander terrorists. That's what that reminds me of. Cobra Commander. Now go through that door and get the extra time. There is extra time doors in this room. Get the ammo. Jeez. Putting a smile on my face to clear the first stage on a life run here. You want to be careful though, not to, because I do have 1 bar left. But this is photographical proof that it's just as hard as the arcade, or a little bit harder. And I wanted to do this to show you how, if you having a machine gun is actually a smart idea. But the bad thing about it is in the arcade you can do a trick called the Million Bullet March and plow through the game with the machine gun. I've seen long plays of this game, and there I go. One life left and cleared area. And now to level 2. This is where it gets complicated. Because unlike the arcade version, I had to pause there because video taken was things were getting in my way in the video. But but I got past the level. Where the second area 10 times harder to get the dude with the grenades. I died a couple of times. Yeah, in the video game with the grenade hit you. In the arcade version, you died, didn't you? Leave a comment in the comment section below if the arcade version of Rolling Thunder you had one hit with the grenade or not. I don't know if you did or not. I don't remember if you did or not. Or but then just shooting the grenade is one way of dealing with it. I'm gonna practice because stage memory is a big part of enemy placement is a big part of this game. I beat it once because I was playing it all the time and I remember where the enemies are. But if you remember enemy placement, you will survive longer. And I've gotten to the third stage of this game, believe it or not, recently. Before I done this video, we may do a let's try. Get the bullets if you want to. You don't have to. If you don't wanna. It's plain and simple. You wanna get back? Well, I didn't get past it this time, but I will again. I'll probably beat this game again. But I'm a big fan of the series. Rolling Thunder 2 is one of the big games I want to get for Sega Genesis. And if you want to learn more, there's a ton of YouTube channels with better plays than me. Better plays than me. And I died right there. And it's, no, no. Besides that. But hey, if you want to play Rolling Thunder, or watch, let me give you a video, a channel to check out. World of Long Plays. Them boys know what they're doing. Just to let you know, World of Long Plays is video graphical proof that World Thunder, the NES game, was notorious. You want to take this guy out? Oh, you just want to take him out. But if you're a fan of Rolling Thunder and you have a Nintendo, this is a great game to have in your collection. I'm looking until I found it. It's more or less a video that I'm gonna do. Oh, there's my game over. Oh, that's my game over. I think this is my game over, but yeah, that's the game over. I got shot. So, hey, I want to thank you for watching. See you next time. And there's Bamboo laughing at you. We'll play this song, but I don't want to get in trouble with copyright. But it's a great game. See ya.